How to delete Klarna app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can delete Klarna app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete Klarna app, it's actually very simple. Maybe you have just happened to download the Klarna application on your Android or your iOS device. As you can see, I have as well. And if you'd like to delete them, all you have to do is just long press on it until you see the uninstall button. Some Android devices will require you to basically drag and drop to the uninstall button at the top, but most of them these days you just have to long press. It will give you the uninstall option, tap on it, tap on OK, and the application will get successfully deleted. And this way you'll be able to delete Klarna application. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.